Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Tesla Model Y windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect the windshield. Next, ensure your vehicle is in park and the parking brake is engaged. Then, navigate to the service menu on your touchscreen display. From there, select Wiper Service Mode to move the wiper arms into the correct position for replacement. Now that the wipers are in service position, gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield. You will see a small tab on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade down and off the wiper arm hook. Once detached, carefully lower the wiper arm onto the soft towel to avoid scratching your windshield. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade. Align the new blade's connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely fastened. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat this exact process for the second wiper blade on the passenger side. After both new wiper blades are installed, return to your vehicle's touchscreen and exit Wiper Service Mode. This will return the wiper arms to their normal resting position. Now, it is time to test your new wipers. Activate them to ensure they operate smoothly, clear the windshield effectively, and provide optimal visibility. Remember to dispose of your old blades responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.